Okay, first grade, we're going to do a fun cup stacking challenge. Izzy and I are going to race against each other. We're going to start down there, run, do 3 push-ups. We're going to stack 6 cups, run back, do 3 push-ups, run back here, and then down stack. All right? How does it go? 3 and 3. Oh, look. No, that's fine. You can do it. Done. Okay, so you noticed that Izzy did a 6 stack, which is totally great, and I did 2 3 stacks. Whatever floats your boat on this. The idea is that you run, pick a fitness. You could also do, instead of push-ups, do mountain climbers. But anyway, it's a fun relay. Do it with the adults in your house or your siblings, neighbors, however you want to do it. Good luck.